So today's day 2 of the national competition, and it's more important because for day 1 we've had months to prepare, and we've been consulting with their coaches pretty much every day. But for day 2, you need to know the fundamentals of coding so you can get max points, because all the rules are different, and you don't have like months to prepare for this one.
My name is Derek Kryman. I'm the national organizer for World Robot Olympiad in the United States, and I'm also the CEO of USEL Youth Robotics. So today is day 2 of our national championships, and today is all about the kids. So they have missions that they have to solve that they haven't heard about, so they haven't been able to really practice specifically for these missions. So it's all about testing their knowledge on fundamentals of coding, if they know how to strategize as a team without the input from an adult. And day 1 was really reliant on coaching. So all the missions are predetermined, so the kids can practice specifically for those missions with help from a coach. So we like doing both days because it's a good blend of involving coaching and parent mentorship, at the same time also creating separation between teams who are really well taught in coding fundamentals and robotic engineering fundamentals, opposed to those teams who are more reliant on adult help.
I think round 1 went pretty good, to be honest, because I didn't really think we would make as many points as we did. I think it went pretty good because we got the rocket to go back, and we also got the astronaut into where it's supposed to go.
I think round 1 went for a team pretty good. We got the yellow satellite in the hexagon where you usually drop off the fuel, and we went back, tried to get the blue, but we'll get that next round. And we got full of 70 points. I think that's pretty good for the first round, and we'll keep on adding points along the way.
We feel very good about round 1. We were able to score 120 out of 200 points, which is, first of all, significantly better than we did last year, but it also puts us in second place. So we're planning for round 2 in the next hour to score those final 30 points and get our time down as much as possible and hopefully win this.
I think it's looking good now. Go. Very consistent. Yeah. As long as it continues.
Anthony, okay, we got the astronaut in.
For us, I feel like the round 2 went not as well as we planned it would be. We were trying to get drone back to its original position. We had done it in round 1. However, the problem was that as soon as we dropped it, there was rubber on our robot that gripped onto the drone and made it hit the rover.
I think round 2 was like pretty good. It was better than round 1 for sure. But I think that just the rover was messed up because we had to go more backwards to make it go in.
Honestly, think I did good on round 2. I was able to move the satellites.
I think we did pretty decent, because last round we didn't get the blue satellite, but I feel a lot better about this round. The challenges were medium. They weren't easy, but they weren't really hard.
we did good in round 3. The robot kind of saved itself and gave us some luck to like make it to the top 10 and have some hope.
We did very good in round 3. We got a perfect score, full 200. So we're very happy about that.
Yeah, we did really good. We also did it really fast. We did it in 65 seconds, which was very fast.
To like dive in deeper, our robot did good in round 3 according to us because like in the previous rounds it would like always mess up in the beginning one way or another, but this time we got a full run that scored like points that could possibly like lift us up in the leaderboard. And yeah,
I think in round 3 I think we did the best we could because in round 2 we got 165. Instead of going for full points, we wanted to confirm the 180 points, so we just rerun it so it's more consistent.
pretty happy about it.
I also feel pretty pleased.
I feel happy, but I was hoping for first.
We placed first place for Future Innovators, and we feel elated right now.
Yeah, I mean, this is I feel really good about this.
Placed 5th place, and I am very proud of our team because we were going to get 6th, but we got 5th, and also we went up by almost 100 points. So I feel very proud.
We placed third in the national championship for US WRO. I think we feel pretty good, and in the end, everything worked out.
I mean, yeah, we placed third. I feel that it was a great competition, and I'm really excited to go to Singapore.
We placed first place, and we feel really happy right now.
Yeah, we feel accomplished. What we did.
So last year, the first day we got first place, but then after the second day, we got fifth. After that, we're really, really sad. Personally, I cried, but now getting first place, I feel really good.